Benefits of using quizzes. Quizzes are a fantastic tool for student growth. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of how they can benefit students. 1. Improves retention and recall. Benefit. Quizzes encourage students to actively retrieve information, which strengthens memory and improves long-term retention. Example. When students answer questions on a topic they've studied, they're more likely to remember key points during exams or real-life applications. 2. Promotes active learning. Benefit. Unlike passive learning methods, quizzes engage students actively with the material. Example. By constantly interacting with content through quizzes, students become more attentive and better understand complex ideas. 3. Identifies knowledge gaps. Benefit. Quizzes help pinpoint areas where students struggle, allowing them to focus on specific topics. Example, if a student frequently misses questions on a certain topic, they can identify this as an area needing further study or clarification. 4. Boosts confidence. Benefit. Regular quizzes help build a student's confidence as they see their progress and mastery over time. Example, achieving high scores or improving on a quiz gives students a morale boost, reinforcing their learning journey. 5. Enhances critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Benefit. Some quizzes require students to apply knowledge, fostering critical thinking and problem-solving. Example, a math quiz with real-world scenarios encourages students to think about practical applications, enhancing analytical skills. 6. Increases engagement and motivation. Benefit. Quizzes add an element of challenge and reward, making learning more engaging and fun. Example, gamified quizzes or competitions create a motivating environment where students are encouraged to perform their best. 7. Increases engagement and motivation. Benefit. Quizzes add an element of challenge and reward, making learning more engaging and fun. Example, gamified quizzes or competitions create a motivating environment where students are encouraged to perform their best. 8. Prepares for exams and assessments. Benefit. Quizzes serve as a rehearsal for larger assessments, reducing anxiety. Example, frequent quiz practice helps students become familiar with exam formats, time management and pressure, making them better prepared. 9. Teaches time management. Benefit. Timed quizzes help students manage their time effectively. Example, by practicing completing quizzes within a time limit, students learn to allocate their time more efficiently during exams and other tasks. 10. Fosters a growth mindset. Benefit. Quizzes help students view learning as an ongoing process where mistakes are part of growth. Example, immediate feedback from quizzes encourages students to see errors as opportunities for improvement, promoting a resilient approach to learning. 11. Prepares for real-world decision-making. Benefit. Quizzes improve decision-making skills, helping students analyze choices under pressure. Example, multiple-choice quizzes encourage students to weigh options quickly and accurately, a valuable skill in real-life situations. Quizzes, when used regularly, can be transformative for students, building essential skills and reinforcing learning in ways that drive both academic and personal growth.